Hey you guys! Today I'm going to be showing you how to get rid of My AI on Snapchat. Before we get started, in order to do this you will need a Snapchat Plus subscription. So in addition to showing you how to get rid of My AI, I'm also going to show you guys how to get that Snapchat Plus. Have your device on hand so you can follow along as we go through. Let's jump right in. So the first thing you're going to want to do is launch your Snapchat. You're going to slide over to the right, and then you're going to click on your icon in the top left corner. And right below your username and your icon, there's going to be the Snapchat Plus option that you can select here. So Snapchat Plus is only available in a select amount of countries. So when you open up your Snapchat and you go to this menu and this Snapchat Plus option isn't here right away, it could be because it's not available in your country. If that's the case, just maybe search and double check. Otherwise, restarting the app and reopening it may fix this problem. So you're going to select this, and we have a couple options here. So we can try for this $1.99 a month, or we can click view all plans. For this option, I'm going to just select try for $1.99. So there's a bit of information here just letting me know that for this month it is only $2 for this month, and then starting next month, April 24th, it will be back to the $7 that it normally is. So I have Apple Pay set up, so all I would do is double click to confirm. It's going to go through, and now I'm all set, and I do have Snapchat Plus, which means I'm also able to get rid of My AI. Hey, if you're finding this video helpful, you can also support the channel through super stickers. These basically just help fund the channel, and it helps us continue to create videos and content for you guys. Thanks, and let's get back to the video. So with Snapchat Plus, there's a couple things you can do to My AI. You can either delete it, or you can just unpin it from here. So if you were to unpin it, essentially it would get rid of it off of your feed, and it would still be there. You would just have to search My AI in order to converse with it. So to unpin My AI, you're going to click on your icon in the top left corner, and then you're going to click on the Snapchat Plus membership right here, and then you're just going to scroll down until you find the My AI. It should be near the bottom, and you're just going to toggle this off. So this is going to unpin My AI from your Snapchat thread, and so when we go back here, you'll see that it is gone. If I wanted to turn that back on, I would just simply go back to where I was, scroll back down to the bottom, and toggle that back on. If you wanted to delete My AI, you're just going to press and hold on that My AI. Then we're going to select chat and notification settings. Now we're just simply going to clear from chat feed, and cleared. So you can't actually delete it out of your Snapchat, but you can clear the chats and unpin it off of your Snapchat feed. As a bonus tip today, I'm going to show you one of the features on Snapchat Plus, which is the chat wallpapers. So what you can do with Snapchat Plus is go into a certain group chat or even one-on-one chat, and you can change the background or wallpaper of your chat. This is similar to that of WhatsApp. You can do this on Instagram as well. I'll show you how to do this. It's super simple. You're just going to go back up to your icon in the top left. You're going to select that Snapchat Plus, and it's going to be right at the top here, chat wallpapers. You're going to select a chat, and you can just simply scroll through and select any of these wallpapers that you'd like. You can even go into your camera roll. You can generate a prompt with AI, and then it's going to bring you to a preview page where you can look over what this wallpaper looks like. And you have a couple options here. You can blur the wallpaper so that it's not as distracting when you're receiving or reading chats, or you can have it unblurred as well. If you're happy with it, you'll select confirm, and now you have a wallpaper in your chat. So if you go into that chat, that wallpaper should be there. It should be able to be viewed by anybody with or without Snapchat Plus. If you wanted to cancel your Snapchat Plus subscription, I'll show you how to do this as well. You're going to go into your settings, and then you'll find the Snapchat Plus right beneath your email. You'll click on this, and then we're going to go to billing. And this is where you'll just cancel your subscription. So you'll select cancel, and then you're going to just give a reason for your cancellation. And then what you'll have to do is finish canceling in the App Store settings. So it's just going to transfer you to those settings so that you can cancel there as well. You'll select on the active subscription and you'll simply cancel it at the bottom here and confirm. And there we are. Now my subscription has been canceled. I will no longer be billed for it. Alrighty, you guys, that's it for today's video. I hope that you found this helpful. Maybe you can use this information or pass it on to somebody else who needs it. Thanks again, and as always, I will see you guys in the next video.